In today's video, I'm going to teach you aesthetic formatting in Google Sheets for clear, professional spreadsheets. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Aesthetic formatting is all about using color, white space, and typography intentionally so your data is easy to read and looks polished. We'll start with themes. Go to Format, then Theme, and choose a theme that matches the tone of your project. Themes bundle fonts and coordinated colors, so every sheet, chart, and header instantly feels consistent. You can customize a theme's font and palette to align with your brand and apply it across the entire file with a single click, which saves time and keeps everything cohesive. Next, embrace white space. Resist the urge to fill every cell. Leave blank rows or columns to separate sections like inputs, tables, charts, and KPIs. This breathing room creates natural grouping and helps viewers find what matters without scanning line by line. If a section deserves focus, give it space around the edges so it stands out without resorting to heavy borders. Choose readable fonts. Skip decorative styles and use clean, modern options such as Arial, Calibri, or Tahoma. Establish a clear hierarchy, a larger size for titles, a medium size for headers, and a standard size for body text. Limit bold and italics to true emphasis so they maintain meaning, and try to stick to one font family to reduce visual clutter. Let's talk color strategy. Keep your palette minimal, 1 or 2 primary colors plus neutrals. For long reading sessions, set primary text to a dark gray rather than pure black to reduce eye strain. Reserve saturated accent colors for highlights, like outliers or priority metrics, and ensure good contrast for accessibility. To make large tables easier to scan, use Format, alternating colors, and pick a subtle banding with a distinct header style that doesn't overpower the data. Borders and grid lines should be used thoughtfully. Sheets shows grid lines by default, but a cleaner look often comes from hiding them and adding very light gray borders only where structure is needed, such as around a summary box or a totals row. Avoid thick outlines that compete with your content. Keep alignment and number formats consistent. Left align text, right align numbers, and center short codes or icons. Under Format, Number, apply standard date, currency, and percentage formats so units are clear and decimal places are consistent across columns. Finally, incorporate visual elements that add clarity. Simple icons or emojis in headers can make categories instantly recognizable. A small logo can brand a dashboard without stealing attention. For quick trend context, use the sparkline function to place tiny charts directly in cells, and highlight single metrics with scorecard charts to surface the most important numbers at a glance. Follow these techniques and your spreadsheets will look clean, cohesive, and much easier to understand. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.